Well, it's almost the end of 2024. I'm preparing for 2025, and there's 4 questions that everybody is curious about. Number 1, are mortgage rates coming down next year? You know, there are predictions that rates will come down in 2025. However, due to uncertainty, the bond market has risen, and that puts upward pressure on interest rates. Inflation, that's always been the enemy of mortgage rates, and when inflation occurs, you can expect the rates to rise. Now, there is a fear that the economy will heat up under Trump's policies. Of course, he could also cause the opposite. So people are being cautious. You know, I had dinner this past week with a client, and he's in the manufacturing business, and he shared with me that his company has put everything on hold for at least the first quarter, just to see what direction things are going to go, right? As tariffs could significantly hurt this company. So things are a little unsure regarding interest rates right now. Number 2, will prices come down in 2025? The main driving force in pricing is the limited inventory that we're seeing on the marketplace right now across the country. Because of this, we will continue to have upward pressure on prices in most markets. Now, builders, they have been underbuilding for the last 10 years, and it will take some time to catch up, if ever. And if the look at the overall prediction is that prices will increase about 2.5% next year. Question number 3, will affordability improve in 2025? Now, there are several factors affecting affordability in the current market, and 2 challenges when it comes to affordability right now. The existing homeowner with a low interest rate and a lot of equity, they're asking the question, why should I sell and buy right now? So that will change when rates do come down. Now, affordability is going to continue to be a challenge for the first-time home buyers because it is a function of 3 factors. The first is pricing, which is continuing to go up. Interest rates are on the higher side compared to a year or 2 ago, and it doesn't look like they're going to come down significantly. The third factor is wages. Now, those are rising, however, not as quickly as home prices. The big question is this: what are they going to do to prepare to get their first property? And the final question is, will the market crash? You have to understand there is $13 trillion in mortgage debt in the United States. However, there is $35 trillion in home equity right now in our country. So it's going to be very difficult to make a case that this market has any chance of crashing next year. So based on my current activity in the market, my prediction is that we're going to have a very tight but active market in 2025. We are noticing right now that we're getting a lot of sellers calling us wanting to list next year. And we're also noticing that our buyer's agents on the team are very busy right now writing contracts, which hopefully this will all carry into next year. Should you have any questions regarding the marketplace in your neighborhood, feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at 734-761-3060.